So we're all lined up, ready to go. 312. It's 10 to 7. We've been here since about 6 o'clock, and it is freezing cold. And yeah, 10 minutes to go before we all set off. Got the start, stuck there, and it looks the sky is very clear. So hopefully we're gonna have a beautiful day. So excited, a bit nervous, did a bit of stretching, and yeah, just excited to just raring to go. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're just heading up the first climb. I mean, yeah, and it's warmed up. Beautiful. This is about a 7k climb. Just take it nice and steady. The Sacalabra is straight on. We are going left. Couple of hours in now, and it is amazing. Oh, coming to the first food stop actually. Oh, look at this view. Just descended Puig Major, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it was epic. Absolutely epic. The weather is incredible. Perfect day for after all that bad weather. This has definitely made up for it. So I have to go for another climb. We are 150k into the ride. 6.5 hours done, 3,000 meters climbed. Sorry, I've not been very chatty. I've not even like stopped at I have stopped at the feed station, literally just to get water. So I'm not stopping long. I want to keep it up and make sure that I'm back to the cut-off. I wanted to document this moment. I carried jam baguette the whole way, and I said at 150k I was going to eat it, and I'm excited for it. Look at this. Things that you get excited about, but oh my god. It's not a crisp sandwich, but it'll do. Right, 240k in, and I still feel really good. I don't know what's happened, but my rib is like not felt any pain at all, apart from when I first got up this morning. So I'm like, I am very happy girl. So yeah, can of Coke, Cliff Bar, and then I'll be on my way. What the hell is going on? The last speed, so we're at 285k. I just want to get water and go. Just look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So that is the end of the 312. Made it in plenty of time. And as I was coming through the finish, I just got really teary. I don't even know why. Oh god, I'm such a girl. I'm just so happy and so proud of myself, especially because of the whole rib thing. And I just didn't think I'd make the cut off, and it's like 8 o'clock I think. So I had like at least an hour. So I am so happy. I'm so chuffed. Sorry, I better look like an absolute mess, but I don't care because I'm happy I did the 312. So excited. So now to go home and get some food. So yeah, that is it.